mean, I've nearly died on a number of occasions, so I know exactly what they are, and they're valid. There is definitely a transition point where you go to one place or the other, and you don't necessarily have to be judged instantly. You can actually loiter about. That is a kind of a third state that's there. A Catholic would call that state purgatory. Near-death experiences do exist. They are valid. They can give you a great deal of information about who you are and where you're going. If you see yourself going to hell, it is very likely that that is precisely, if you died, where you would end up. If you see yourself going to heaven, likewise. And if you don't, if you see yourself going neither place, then the issue remains unresolved for a while.